Hello students, let us try to understand the van der Waals forces. Okay student. So we know student the van der Waals forces are the weakest type of forces students. So how can we understand this? Let us try to read out the slides student. So they are saying these forces of attraction exist between non-polar molecule. Okay student. Non-polar molecule means what student? That is if any atoms is having the no charges student, no, are the molecules like that we are having O2 O2 where the electron density is exactly between two atoms. So this is the non-polar, O2 is non-polar, right student? So they are saying that is van der Waals forces exist between two non-polar molecule. So one molecule like that O2 is one molecule student, again O2 is one molecule. Between these molecule, whatever the force attraction is existing student between these two, that is what is known as what van der Waals forces. They are saying this force of attraction is intermolecular attraction due to the electrostatic attraction between nuclei of the molecule and electrons of the other molecule. So what they are saying is student, these are okay between the molecule, this is known as intermolecular attraction. This is intermolecular attraction. Intermolecular attraction. And what the important point student which we have to keep in mind, that this intermolecular attraction implies that the nuclei of one molecule, okay, nuclei, we can write that is nuclei of one molecule with what student, with electron of other molecule, okay. How this is taking place student, that is nucleus of, suppose this is the nucleus of one molecule student, okay, and that is another, what is their electron, okay, here is the electron, this is the electron, here is the nuclei. So what is happening student, you can see this is the negative charge is getting attracted to the nuclei of other molecule. So that is what they are saying, this force, okay, this force of attraction is intermolecular because between two molecules, intermolecular means between two molecule, due to the electrostatic attraction between nuclei of one molecule and electrons of other molecule. So you can see student, electrons are attracted towards the other molecule. So here negative, positive, positive means nucleus and negative means electrons of the, and here because of this positive negative, what is happening is student, induced dipole is getting formed, okay. So that is what will happen student. So van der Waals force, they are saying van der Waals forces are very weak and are significant only the when the molecules are very close together, okay. Van der Waals forces are very weak and it is significant when the molecules are coming close between the surface molecule. The force vary inversely with the seventh power of distance between the molecule. So that is van der Waals force equal to inversely proportional to d power 7. D means distance between the molecule. They are effective only over short intermolecular distance. Magnitude of van der Waals interaction depends on the number of electrons and protons in the molecules as well as on the intermolecular distance. So that is van der Waals force proportional to number of electron in the molecule or molecular weight. Greater the molecular weight, greater the van der Waals forces. Surface area of the molecule, greater the surface area, greater the van der Waals forces. Symmetry of the molecule decreases intermolecular distance. So symmetrical molecule decreases the van der Waals forces. If the structure of molecule is symmetrical, then the molecule are packed well in the crystal lattice, solid liquid phases, which decreases the distance, hence the increases van der Waals forces. So symmetrical molecule is having more van der Waals forces. So this is all about the van der Waals forces of attraction student. Thank you so much for watching.